Hey everyone, get ready for a culinary adventure. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey that will take us through the rich and diverse world of Indian cuisine. Our star of the show, the ever-popular and mouth-watering tandoori chicken. This dish is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a visual delight. So let's dive right in and explore what makes tandoori chicken so special. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of tandoori chicken. This iconic dish is a staple in Indian cuisine and has won hearts all over the globe. The secret to its irresistible flavor lies in its unique blend of spices and the traditional cooking method that gives it that signature smoky taste. This dish is bursting with flavor and aroma. Imagine the scent of freshly ground spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric, mingling with the tangy zest of lemon and the creamy richness of yogurt. It's a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, leaving you craving for more. It's sure to tantalize your taste buds. The first bite of tandoori chicken is an experience in itself. The outer layer is perfectly charred, giving it a slight crunch, while the inside remains juicy and tender. Each mouthful is a burst of flavors that is both complex and comforting. Get ready for a culinary masterpiece. Tandoori chicken is not just a dish, it's a celebration of culinary artistry. The vibrant colors, the enticing aroma, and the exquisite taste all come together to create a dish that is truly a work of art. Whether you're serving it at a dinner party or enjoying it as a weeknight meal, tandoori chicken is sure to impress. Tandoori chicken is a beloved classic from India and beyond. Its origins can be traced back to the Mughal era, where it was a favorite among royalty. Today, it is enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds, and its popularity continues to grow. From street food stalls in India to high-end restaurants around the world, tandoori chicken has made its mark as a global culinary icon. It features tender, juicy chicken marinated in a blend of yogurt and spices. The marinade is the heart and soul of tandoori chicken. It not only infuses the meat with flavor, but also helps to tenderize it, ensuring that each bite is succulent and delicious. The yogurt acts as a natural tenderizer, while the spices add depth and complexity to the dish. This dish is then cooked to perfection in a tandoor oven. The tandoor, a traditional clay oven, is what gives tandoori chicken its distinctive smoky flavor and charred exterior. The high heat of the tandoor cooks the chicken quickly, sealing in the juices and creating a beautiful crust on the outside. It's a cooking method that has been perfected over centuries and continues to be a cornerstone of Indian cuisine. But don't worry, you can still achieve amazing results at home. Even if you don't have a tandoor oven, you can still make delicious tandoori chicken in your own kitchen. A regular oven or grill can work wonders, and with the right techniques and a little bit of practice, you'll be able to recreate this classic dish with ease. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to embark on a flavorful journey that will transport you straight to the heart of India. Let's take a quick trip back in time. Tandoori cooking has ancient roots in the Indian subcontinent. The heart of this cooking style is the tandoor. It's a cylindrical clay oven that reaches incredibly high temperatures. This unique cooking method imparts a smoky flavor and creates a beautiful char on the chicken. It's a true testament to the ingenuity of traditional cooking techniques. Now, let's talk about why tandoori chicken is a healthy choice. The yogurt marinade not only tenderizes the chicken, but also adds a boost of protein and calcium. The spices used in the marinade are packed with antioxidants. Plus, the cooking method itself is naturally low in fat. This makes tandoori chicken a guilt-free indulgence you can enjoy any day of the week. Before we fire up our kitchens, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need chicken pieces, bone-in or boneless, your choice. Plain yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, tandoori masala. You can find this in most grocery stores. Kashmiri red chili powder for that gorgeous red hue, turmeric powder, and of course salt and pepper to taste. Hold on a second. Before we move on to the cooking process, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss out on any of my delicious recipes and cooking tips. Now that you're part of the crew, let's get back to our tandoori adventure. Alright, let's get cooking. Today, we're diving into the world of tandoori cuisine, a vibrant and flavorful style of cooking that originates from the Indian subcontinent. Tandoori dishes are known for their bold spices and smoky flavors, typically achieved by cooking in a tandoor, a traditional clay oven. But don't worry, You can achieve similar results with your home oven or grill. First, let's prepare our marinade. In a bowl, whisk together the yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, tandoori masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. The yogurt acts as a tenderizer, making the chicken juicy and flavorful, while the spices infuse it with that signature tandoori taste. The lemon juice adds a tangy kick that balances the richness of the yogurt. This is your flavor-packed marinade. It's a beautiful blend of colors and aromas, promising a delicious outcome. The vibrant red hue comes from the tandoori masala and red chili powder, while the turmeric adds a golden touch. Make sure to mix everything thoroughly so that each ingredient is well incorporated. Now, add the chicken pieces to the marinade. You can use chicken thighs, breasts, or even drumsticks. Make sure they're coated evenly. The marinade should cover every nook and cranny of the chicken pieces, ensuring that each bite is packed with flavor. Use your hands to massage the marinade into the chicken for the best results. Let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. The longer, the better. This allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat, making it more flavorful and tender. If you're short on time, a minimum of 1 hour will still give you good results. But patience pays off in this case. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. If you have a convection setting, use it to get a more even cook. The high heat is crucial for achieving that slightly charred, smoky exterior that is characteristic of tandoori chicken. If you have a grill, you can use that too. Grilling adds an extra layer of smokiness that is hard to replicate in an oven. Whether you use a gas or charcoal grill, make sure it's preheated to a high temperature. The key is to cook the chicken quickly at high heat to lock in the juices and flavors. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning. Metal skewers are a great alternative as they conduct heat and help cook the chicken from the inside as well. Make sure to leave a little space between each piece to ensure even cooking. Place the skewers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This makes for easy cleanup and prevents the chicken from sticking to the sheet. If you're grilling, place the skewers directly on the grill grates. Either way, make sure to turn the skewers halfway through the cooking time to ensure even charring. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred on the outside. If you're grilling, it might take a bit less time, so keep an eye on it. The internal temperature of the chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The charred bits add a wonderful texture and flavor, reminiscent of traditional tandoori cooking. While the chicken is baking, you can prepare some delicious sides like naan bread, rice, or salad. Naan bread is perfect for scooping up the juicy chicken, while a fresh salad adds a nice contrast to the rich flavors. Basmati rice is another great option, as it soaks up the marinade and complements the chicken beautifully. Enjoy your homemade tandoori chicken with these delightful sides for a complete meal. Here are a few tips to take your tandoori chicken to the next level. Tandoori chicken is a beloved dish known for its vibrant flavors and smoky aroma. Achieving that perfect balance of spices and tenderness can be a game changer for your culinary skills. For an extra smoky flavor, you can add a pinch of smoked paprika to your marinade. This not only enhances the taste, but also gives the chicken a rich, deep color. Don't forget to mix your marinade thoroughly to ensure every piece of chicken is well coated. The marinade is the heart of tandoori chicken, so take your time to get it right. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes before grilling to prevent them from burning. This step is crucial as it keeps the skewers from catching fire and ensures even cooking. You can also use metal skewers, but wooden ones add a rustic touch to your presentation. To get those beautiful char marks, you can broil the chicken for the last few minutes of cooking. This not only adds to the visual appeal, but also enhances the flavor with a slight char. Make sure to keep an eye on the chicken to avoid overcooking. The goal is to achieve a perfect balance between a crispy exterior and a juicy interior. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute. This step is often overlooked, but is essential for maintaining the chicken's moisture and flavor. Resting the meat ensures that each bite is as juicy and flavorful as possible. Serve your tandoori chicken with a side of fresh salad or naan bread for a complete meal. Congratulations, you've done it! You've made your very own restaurant-quality tandoori chicken at home. Serve it hot with your favorite sides and enjoy the explosion of flavors. This dish is perfect for weeknight dinners, special occasions, or whenever you're craving a taste of India. Thanks for joining me on this Tandoori adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes that will impress your taste buds and make you feel like a culinary star. Until next time, happy cooking!